Hi guys, welcome to another video. My name is David Pinto. They also call me TipsWithDav, and today's a Monday. So guess what we're going to be talking about? My Legion secrets. And today I want to be focusing on actually giving you guys some email marketing tips. And you see, I started my Legion secrets journey, and I know that a lot of people who are watching this video and other videos also on my channel are either members of my Legion secrets or you're interested in actually figuring out whether this makes sense for you to join or not. So what I wanted to basically go about and share with you in this video is some email marketing tips which will be useful for you. So stay tuned. I'll hop on my laptop and share with you exactly what I'm doing and how to get the results that I'm getting as well. Have a great day. Awesome, guys. I'm here on my laptop. And before I go ahead and actually share with you a little bit more about the tips and everything, I do want to mention to you guys that this is the strategy that I'm following on how to actually make $1,000 per month with affiliate marketing. So this channel is all about tips that help you pave the way for dreams to come true, which basically means that I'm utilizing at the moment affiliate marketing, trading, and so much more, but mainly affiliate marketing to get this side hustle moving and everything working for me. So how do I do that? I do it with a simple step-by-step formula. So if this is something that's interesting for you on how to get to your first $1,000 per month, then the 2,000 and 3,000 and go on, and definitely hit that subscribe button and the bell notification for more so that you get notified every single week when I post videos. And just to know my schedule, on Mondays, as of today, I talk about my Legion secrets or step one of this whole strategy. On Wednesdays, I talk about the tools that I use in order to build the strategy and maintain the strategy and how much does it cost with maintaining the strategy and everything else to get to $1,000 per month, right? And lastly, on Friday, I talk about the journey itself, what you need to focus on after you've set everything up, after you're using the tools, how insights on how to get better with your affiliate marketing journey. So this is heavily about affiliate marketing, and I'm super happy to share this journey with you guys. But these are the only two steps that I follow, and I'm going to be following these two steps until I hit a significant number so that you guys can see that is definitely doable and it's already on the right path. So I talk about my Legion secrets in step one. My Legion secrets is a core element of my entire strategy. It is what I call the cash flow generating method. Now, let me go ahead and share with you a little bit of my results more than anything else. But in the description of this video, there's a playlist. In the playlist, you can check out month on month. I do a comparison on how my Legion secrets is doing for me. It's basically earning me over $200 every single month since I got started. Now, that is a very amazing thing to have, but that's just with one account. With my Legion secrets, you can have multiple accounts, so people are making $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 per month also with my Legion secrets. I'm making 200 plus just because I have one account and I'm focusing on specifically one strategy because I don't want to spread myself thin. That's the main idea behind it. I don't want to spread myself thin. So that's what it is. And just to give you guys an idea, literally, if I go to the Facebook group, let's do that so that you guys can see. And if I just go to my Legion secrets right here, you will be able to see pretty much, let's just go to my activity. And you can see in my activity in this group, 17 hours ago, I had another 2 sales come in. This is my monthly report, so 238 for the month. This is the last week before that. So every single week I'm making sales, and you can see 4 days later, another sale. 2 days later, another sale. Another sale again 2 days later. So every 2 to 3 days, basically, I'm making sales continuously with my Legion secrets. And the reason for doing that is specifically because I follow these strategies. Now, many people will talk about my Legion secrets as a great traffic source, but you need to be consistent. You're going to make this very, very strategically done, right? I'm going to talk about it in terms of skill sets. So in my opinion, the strategy over here is you are using leads from a platform that's giving you a possibility to email those leads every day. Utilize it, email them every day. But when you email them every day, are you actually sending them the right kind of emails? Who is listening to your emails? Who's reading your emails? Is it very generic? Is it ChatGPT driven and everything else or not? Now, I use a ChatGPT strategy. Yes, I do use a ChatGPT strategy for my email marketing, but I do add my own voice to it. And what do I mean by own voice? I mean, there's a personality behind the emails. There's me behind the emails. And I want that to pass through my written content. I want it to pass through my copywriting. So when I'm sharing with them, I'm talking to them what affiliate marketing is for me, what it has done for me, What's this actual process? And is the offer that I'm sharing going to be helping them with what I'm talking about? It has to be congruent. But these are the things that you need to do. So many people can share with you templates and templates and templates, and some of those templates will work. But if it's not your voice, then they're just going to see the same templates copied again and again and again, right? I'm making unique emails. So I do not share any templates with you guys. I do not have any swipe file for you. But what I do have is a strategy when it comes to my Legion secrets. So what I do is when I log into my Legion secrets every single day. Oh yeah, by the way, guys, before I get into logging in and showing you what is my Legion secrets, just in a small nutshell, gives you 100 to 200 leads every day, costs you $60 the first month and then $30 every month after that. And obviously it is a way for you to generate traffic automatically and solves two problems. Copywriting, it gives you the place to implement your skill set of copywriting, and it also generates your 100 leads, which is solving the advertising for your business right off the back without any problem. So this is my explanation of my Legion secrets to everybody who comes to my channel. Let's log into my Legion secrets, and I want to go ahead and share with you a little bit of more information. Okay guys, so I'm here in my Legion secrets, and as I have shown you, these are my results. So I get, as you can see, pretty decent open rate and a click-through rate. And what I'm doing right now, I'm testing on the whole email skill set of writing in terms of writing how emails. What do I mean by that? I'm teaching somebody how to do something, how this is going to happen. I'm using the word how quite a bit to see the conversion rate, because I get a higher conversion rate with how emails than, for example, a what email, which I got only 747 opens. So I'm testing these things out because I can definitely see a higher open rate with house. So that's something that just like, giving you guys a special tip for you guys, if that's a bonus tip, if you wanted this bonus tip. But this is my Legion secrets. You go here, you can send out an email every single day. Now there are certain elements that you're automatically going to be sending, right? So if you send by date, so you're sending all the leads that you get, and then you send from your name is here. Even though it is a no reply, mylegionsecrets.com, etc., your name is still there. There are a few things that I personally do. So if I load this last email, you'll see that besides the entire email I have here, I have one link for them to go to a specific place, and I have my picture. This is also a key element. I have my picture there to personalize it for the people, so they know who's writing them emails, so they know what's going on, etc., etc. Right? So that's one of the personal things that I do. And then I'm not, if you see right here, I'm not like, exaggerating on numbers. I'm literally telling them how much I make every single month, and it's a very doable amount of income, by the way. And besides all of that, I just have one link. So it's a very focus driven, and my voice personally is what I'm sharing with you on this channel. Transparent, clear, honest. I'm giving the feedback. I don't like the hype. I like the boring, because it produces results, so on and so forth. So these are the kind of things that I am actually doing, taking away people from the hype and talking about my message. So obviously it took me 2 weeks of sending these kind of emails, introducing myself, getting to know them, so that they now know what kind of emails to expect from David first and foremost. And that allows me to then share with them these kind of emails. Okay, so that's personally what I do. What I do every single week to save myself some time, and these are the email tips that I want to offer you, is that I do use ChatGPT to create some emails. Okay, so I use ChatGPT to create some generic emails for myself related to affiliate marketing. And this is one that I did on the 2nd of October. So you can see right here, I have I think around 7 emails that I asked ChatGPT to generate for me. Now, maybe there will be some overlapping content that's there. So what I do is, before I actually go and send out the email, I edit the email myself. So for example, I will change this first and foremost right here. I will put the as you can see right here, the this thing, basically. I don't even know what it's called. The prefix, yeah, so that I can have the right prefix down here. Then I talk a little bit about myself. So I say, okay, this is the chunk, this is the main portion of the content. Now, how do I write it in my voice? So I take this information of ChatGPT and I start to then evolve and talk about it from my story. So for example, in the digital realm filled with noise, etc., authentic success. So I talk about, for example, how it was for me in the beginning when I got started and how much noise was there. Then it answers the question. At the end, I have a call to action, and then I go ahead and send out the email. So that's about it. I mean, you need to have a very clear, simple structure. And the more you simplify and the more authentic your voice a voice is, whatever it may be, that's going to get you the best results in terms of emails. Now, the other thing that I've shared in the past, I've tested perfect timing, I've tested not perfect timing. I prefer perfect timing just because I'm a busy guy. So it just sends out the email when it needs to. I don't have to be at a specific time coming and sending out an email. So I just select perfect timing and I go ahead and send it. And that's about it, guys. I really don't focus on anything. And you can see from my statistics, just focusing on those emails, on the pure content of the emails, nothing else. Even if I make a mistake, even if I'm not doing things correctly, which I have in the past, guys. If I go back to, I don't know, the 9th email, you'll see right here, or maybe 11th email so that you can actually see. I have emails right here where I've repeated the same thing a few times. I've made a mistake and not sent out to everybody. I think that was a couple of days ago. Let me check. Yeah, can you see right here? I went away from the page before I actually sent out to 9,000 leads, which I usually send out to 9,000. So I didn't send out to 200 leads. It happens. Those mistakes happen. It's going to happen. But if you continuously do and focus on the content of your emails, you're still going to be generating results. And that is the key element right here. How much, I cannot guarantee you, but it's our jobs as affiliate marketers to convert the leads into sales. That is our job, whether it is on My Leads and Secrets or whether it is on your own email list. It is the same exact thing. Guys, if you do not learn the strategy of copywriting, of writing good emails on My Leads and Secrets, then you're going to make the same mistake on your own list, and you're not going to have conversions, and you're not going to believe in affiliate marketing. But the reality is, you need to focus on the content of the emails. That's it that I have for you. Be authentic, be real, be yourself. If you want to know more about these tips and strategies, link is in the description. If you want to get started with My Leads and Secrets, link is in the description. This link specifically, so all you need to do is go click on join My Leads and Secrets now. Like I said, it costs you $60 the first month and then $30 every single month after that. And you get access to 100 leads immediately. So you can start promoting from day one. That's personally what I do. I then leverage this to be able to build my own list. But we'll talk about that more on a Wednesday. Right now, guys, I just wanted to share with you guys these tips and what it's been for me. I'm enjoying my journey, $200 per month method just by doing this. And I think you can be part of the same journey with me. Have a great day and keep paving the way for your dreams to come true. I'm going to see you on the next video.